how you can send a view once video or a photo on your WhatsApp. Now you can use this trick if you don't want your friends to view a photo or video twice, or just save it. So I'll teach you guys how to do that, but before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your WhatsApp and go to the text that you want to send the video to. Now just open up your photo or camera and just take a picture. Now after you take a picture, you will get different options. Now under the options, what you can do is, okay, my bad. Now what you can do is, under add a caption option right there, you can tap on the one button right there. It says that it's a view once message. It gives you more privacy. Make sure it's on the view once. Make sure it's on the view once and just tap on send. And with that, you will have sent a view once photo to your friend. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you send a video or a photo that your receiver can only view once. So that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.